Hello guys, so good morning sa ating mga guests. Okay, so kung napapanood mo to ngayon, okay, so maganda tapusin mo tong video na to, no? Para malaman mo kung paano kumita sa halagang 1,775 pesos dito sa NetWise Digital Business. So meet our corporate. So si Mariano Vergara Jr., siya po yung ating COO and si Eldridge Di Castro, siya naman po yung ating Vice President for Sales and Training. And si Herbert Ingles, siya naman po ang ating President. So our legalities, legalities and registration. So tayo po ay registered sa SEC or Security and Exchange Commission under the name of NetWise Digital Innovation Corporation. So, ano po ba si NetWise? So, si NetWise po is all-in-one digital business platform. So, meron po itong affiliate marketing, e-commerce, dropshipping, meron na rin pong e-wallet, e-loading, bills payment, remittance, and many more. So, this is powered by Mocha. Okay? So, powered by Mocha po yung ating platform. Then, hindi po mawawala dyan yung ating health and wellness product. So kung mapapansin nyo po, so talagang quality products po yung ating product dito kay NetWise. So La Diosa product po yan. Okay? So ito po is mga health and wellness. So immune support, beauty and glow, natural ingredient, energy, vitality, advanced formula, delicious and healthy, easy to consume, total wellness. So yan po yung ating product. Kung mapapansin nyo, napakaganda ng mga product natin. Talagang pang international na, hindi ka mapapaya pag nakita nila yung ating products. Okay, so introducing our NetWise AI Companion. So si AI Companion po, ito po yung makakatulong, especially doon po sa mga onliner nating mga distributor, no? So maganda po kay NetWise 24/7 LED engagement. So siya na po yung mag-a-assist or sasagot sa lahat ng mga inquiries nyo sa inyong page. Okay? So faster sales. So answer fact, no? Explain products and speed up sales. So yan po yung kagandahan dito, no? Ano pa? Automated follow-up and training and duplication. So yan po yung ating NetWise AI Companion. Okay, so dito po meron tayong tinatawag na business package para makapag-start. So meron po tayo dito yung starter package. Ito po yung 1,775. Pero meron pa po tayong ibang option. Like for example, yung ating premium package na 3,550 at yung ating elite package na 14,200 pesos. So maganda po yung mga packages natin, no? Tapos magkakaroon ka pa ng 15% up to 50% depende po sa package na i-avail nyo. So para makapagsimula dito kay NetWise. Then, hindi po mawawala, no? Meron tayong NetWise Members Benefits. So, ito po yung kasama doon sa inyong package. Libre po yan. So, sa starter kit po, magkakaroon po kayo ng 2,500 sa natural death. Then, 10,000 naman po sa accident, dismemberment, and assault. And 2,500 naman po sa hospitalization. Sa premium bundle naman po is 5,000 sa natural death. 25,000 pag kayo po ay na-aksidente, no? Disbursement and assault, at 5,000 naman po sa hospitalization or accident. Okay? Then sa elite bundle naman natin, 20,000 po yung para sa natural death or burial assistance, 100,000 para sa accident, disbursement and assault. Okay? And 20,000 naman po para sa hospitalization. Alright. Then, ways to earn. Ito po, no? So, paano nga ba kumita dito kay NetWise? So, meron po tayong tinatawag na members credit bonus, daily engagement reward, and product sales incentive. So, paano po kumita? Okay? Upon activation, you will receive credit bonus. So, bibigyan ka kagad ng credit bonus. Once na ikaw ay naka-starter, bibigyan ka ng 1,000 pesos upon activation. Pag premium naman is 2,500 at pag elite naman is 10,000 pesos. Sa daily engagement reward naman po, so receive daily reward by sharing and promoting on social media for 10 days. So wala po kayong ibang gagawin kundi i-share nyo lang po yung link at i-post sa inyong social media account, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram, or kahit ano pang social platform na meron kayo. So pag ginawa nyo yon, babayaran ka ni company or ni Netwise ng 100 pesos once ikaw ay naka-starter. Premium naman is 250 at pag ikaw naman ay naka-elite, babayaran ka ng 1,000 daily for 10 days. Okay, so ang maganda po dito, tinuturuan po natin na maging masipag yung ating mga distributor para mag-promote sa kanilang social media account. Okay? Next is yung product sales incentive naman natin. So, earn 5% of net income. Okay, so this one is no time frame. Tandaan nyo guys, no time frame. So, bibigyan po kayo ng 5% from net income ni company. So, pag naka-starter ka, maximum of 2,000 pesos po yan. Pag premium naman is 5,000 pesos. At pag ikaw ay naka-elite, bibigyan ka ng maximum of 20,000 pesos from company net sales. So, trusted product, quality assured, strong community, solid support, more value, more opportunities, performance-driven success, rewarded. So, yun po yung ating member support and performance incentive program. Pero, hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos. Dahil once you share the business, no, meron tayong tinatawag na hybrid direct referral. So, once na sinare mo yung business at nagustuhan nila yung starter at nag-join sila o bumili sila ng package, babayaran ka ni company ng 150 pesos. Pag naka-premium ka naman is 300 pesos at pag elite package is 1,200 pesos. Ang maganda po dito, when someone join and buy multiple package, you will earn multiple direct referral bonuses. So, paano po yon? For example, is premium account, no? So, 300 pesos po yung direct referral dyan. Times 7. So, 7 package account, 2,100 pesos. Okay, so ganyan po generous yung ating company. Talagang kikita ka dito ng malaki. Alright. So, next is yan, meron din po tayong pairing bonus. Okay, so once na may nag-pair, no, from left and right group, meron kang 350 pesos. Okay, so starter is 1 point, premium is 2 points, and yung elite naman po ay 8 points. 1 point is equivalent to 1 pair. So 350 po yun. Okay, so paano po yan? So income illustration, binary plan is pointing system. So tatandaan nyo po lagi, no, pag ikaw ay naka-starter kit, meron kang 1 point. Pag ikaw ay premium bundle, meron kang 2 points. At pag elite bundle naman, meron kang 8 points. Wherein every 1 point is equivalent to 1 pair. And 1 pair is equivalent to 350 pesos. So para mas malinaw po, ito po yung ating income illustration. So for example, sa left group mo, may pumasok na starter kit with 1 point. Okay, so then may pumasok sa right group mo na elite bundle. So syempre meron niyang 8 points. So mag-pair po yan. Magkakaroon po kaya ng 1 point. So equivalent to 350 pesos. Then yung inyong pong elite bundle, syempre mababawasan po ng 1 point. Matitira dyan 7 point. Mag-pair pa rin po yan once na may pumasok na premium kit, no? So 2 points po yung premium. So 2 points times 350, meron ka pa rin additional 700 pesos. Okay, so dun sa matitirang points, hanggang po sa maubos, okay, yung ating points, so wala pong matitira dyan. Makikitain at kikitain ito. Safety net. Okay, so makinig po tayo mabuti kasi ito po yung safety net natin. You need at least 2 direct business partner for you to qualify for pairing and point accumulation. So, kailangan nyo po dito is 2 directs para ma-qualify po sa pairing bonus. Okay? Point system, 30% flush out, 70% strong leg retention. Pair is lifestyle points. Sa starter kit po, no? Maximum of 20 pairs daily. Yun lang po yung pwede nating kitain sa isang araw. 2 cycle, syempre 10 pairs in AM cycle and 10 pairs in PM cycle. So dito po pwede kayong kumita ng maximum of 5,600 daily or 39,200 per week and 168,000 per month. Sa premium bundle naman po, ang maximum income mo dito is maximum of 40 pairs daily, 2 cycles, so 20 pairs in AM cycle and 20 pairs in PM cycle. Maximum per day income is 11,200, maximum income per week is 78,400, at ang maximum income per month is 336,000 pesos. Pero pag ikaw ay naka-elite bundle, magkakaroon ka ng 60 pairs daily, 2 cycle, 30 pairs in AM cycle and 30 pairs in PM cycle. Maximum income per day, so 16,800 po yung pwede nyong kitain. Maximum income per week is 117,600 and maximum income per month is 504,000 pesos. Okay, so ganun po yung advantage ng Elite Bundle. So maliban po doon, meron pa po tayo tinatawag na Network Development Bonus. So dito po is nakabase po sa pairing, no? Sa pairing po. Ito naman po is ranking bonus, no? Once na kayo ay nag-join kay NetWise, ang tawag po sa inyo is associate. Okay? Pag kayo po ay naging senior associate, magkakaroon po kayo ng 5,000 pesos cash. Okay? Pag naging builder ka naman, magkakaroon ka ng 25,000 cash. Pag naging team leader ka, magkakaroon ka ng 50,000 cash. Pag senior leader is 100,000. Pag naging director ka is 200,000. Pag naging senior director ka naman, brand new car, BYD Seal 5. Pag naging executive director ka, brand new car or BYD Sea Lion 6. At pag naging elite director ka naman, brand new car or Mustang EcoBoost. At pag naging royal ambassador ka, magkakaroon ka ng brand new car or Toyota Land Cruiser. So lahat po ng cars dito is converted into cash. Kung ayaw mo ng car, kunin mo yung cash. Alright, no? So leadership, royalty reward. So dito po is earn 5% LSR from your direct every time they earn from binary plan. You must have at least 5 direct. So kailangan nyo po dito magkaroon ng 5 direct. For example, yung inyo pong direct is kumita ng tigwa 1 million pesos. So 5% po niyan is 50,000. So mayroon kang 150,000 galing po sa pairing bonus ng inyong directs. Other ways to earn, meron po tayong retail reward, uni-level reward, stair step, and global pool bonus. Alright, so kung gusto nyo pong mapakinggan yung full video presentation, so meron po tayong mga Zoom activities or Zoom business presentation every NWF. Okay, so tanungin nyo lang po sa inyong mga upline or sponsor na nag-invite sa inyo. Yun lamang po, and thank you.